In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate MailerLite with Convertful in 2025, step by step. We'll start inside MailerLite. Log into your account, and once you're on the dashboard, go to the Integrations area. From there, open the MailerLite API or Developer API section. This is where you can generate a new API token, which is what Convertful will use to connect securely to your MailerLite account. Create the token, then copy it and keep it somewhere safe because you'll need it in just a moment. Next, log into your Convertful account. After that, choose the website where you want this integration to be active. Once you're inside the correct site, open the Integrations tab and click Add Integration. Find MailerLite in the list and select it so you can begin the connection process. Now paste the API token you copied from MailerLite into the required field in Convertful. If any additional credentials are requested, enter those as well, then click Connect. If the connection is successful, Convertful will be able to send subscriber data directly into your MailerLite account. After connecting, choose your default MailerLite group. This is the group where new subscribers from Convertful will be added automatically, unless you choose a different group later inside a specific widget. Save the integration settings once that's done. The next part is setting up custom fields. Open the custom field settings and review how Convertful maps information to MailerLite. In many cases, fields like email and name are matched automatically, but it's still a good idea to review everything carefully and adjust the mapping if needed. This helps make sure subscriber data goes to the right place. Now open an existing Convertful widget or create a new one, such as a pop-up or form. Add the email field and name field if you need them, then select the Widgets button and open the On-Submit Actions or On-Click Action settings. Add a MailerLite action to the button so the form knows what to do after someone submits it. At this stage, choose the exact MailerLite action you want. You can add a subscriber using the default settings, add a subscriber to a group, remove a subscriber from a group, or update a custom field. If you don't want to use the default group you selected earlier, choose Add Subscriber to Group and then select the specific MailerLite group you want. Save your widget and make sure the MailerLite action is attached to the correct Submit button. Finally, test the integration. Open the widget on your website, enter a test email address and submit the form. Then go back to MailerLite, open Subscribers and then Groups, select the group you used and confirm that the test subscriber appears there. If it does, your integration is working correctly.